Hi! In front of me is ASUS Phone 7 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, go into settings and scroll down just a bit to access display. After that, scroll down one more time and tap on refresh rate over here. Lastly, click on the best option for you in order to apply it. I will go with this one. So when I click and go back, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!